So here we are in the Shearers Hall of Fame. 1926 Marshall portable steam engine. I'll try and get some good videos, but you know how it is. Oh, Order Australian. Wow. Oops, a bit of a flash of light there. That's a wall wagon, seen better days. Ooh, wool press, grinding wheel. I reckon it would have been a tough old gig, the old shearing. Collection of shears. Go, love. Have a sniff.
No, thank you.
Nah. I agree. What type of wool press by the looks of it, just here. It's a new gimbal, so we just got to get used to it. Look, it's a pretty good exhibition. Okay, so here's all the injuries that you're going to get. There's the sign, it tells you where the cliff walk is, and full return 3.5 kilometres. You've got a Woolies if you want. So here we are at Waikerie Solo Art and River View. We'll just take a walk out to this lookout. Lookout, obviously. It's very fresh. They've got a cliff walk. There's a map on the sign back there. I didn't read the sign. Oh, there's a barge going across. I don't know if you can see that down there. Pelican flying along the river. There's a track down the bottom as well. Oh, nice little spot to stretch the legs. Here's our setup in all its glory. Look at that. Here's the Nuri Utpa to Anguston bike trail. It's apparently 6.6 kilometres long. Takes you through all some of the wineries and scenic route. So let's just see how we go. The boss is up there in front. She's not 100% confident on her bike yet, but she hasn't fallen off today, so that's great. Oh, I'll catch up with you later. Again. All the wine, what are these things called again? Grapevines, wine vines. Vineyards, there we go. Vineyards was the word I was looking for. Obviously all dormant at the moment because it's winter. It's about 5 degrees this morning. Nice frost as well. We're off a casual ride today. Boss is still out in front. She's getting better. 2 k's into it. Very good path, very flat. Very easy riding. Being that it's winter, there's not too many people out here. And as you can see, the wife has broken away from the peloton and is flying ahead. I catch her at nearly every crossing because she stops at every crossing. Like I said before, she's not 100% confident yet, but she's getting better. If you're down this way in the Barossa, I recommend this little trip. People that we spoke to before said it's also a good walk if you don't have bikes. 6.6k one way. Yeah, pretty good so far. Yeah, better go and catch up with the wife. See ya. Oh, that was a big hill. So we must be getting close to Engiston. This old church on the other side there. Here's the old railway station. Preservation Society's shed. Oh look, Anytime Fitness, how good's that? So we made it to Engiston. Had a nice coffee and a hot chocolate. Now we're heading back. Once again, Boss is in front. Boss may have had a little stack whilst we were off the bikes. That's a story for a campfire sometime. Just not many people can crash their bikes without being on it. But my wife can. So yeah, I'll just leave the camera going for a while. That way you can have a look. We're on a bit of a downhill section here. It's a bit of a hard uphill because it's a long uphill. But I'll just let the video roll for a while and you can have a look around. Enjoy. You should all think yourself lucky this is not smell-o-vision, because that pit stinks. Ugh. Ugh. We've got all these road crossings and giveaways. Angle yourself through, nice and easy. Watch out for the big truck that's coming, but he's not going that fast though, it's alright. Slow down for the chicane. Wow, wow. And off we go again. It's a very scenic track. Very, very easy. Except for that hill going up, it's been pretty easy. Especially an old bastard like me. Nice raised section here. Man, I should let it talk. There's a nice raised section here, so I'm guessing it gets a lot of rains and water. That just sounds stupid, doesn't it? So, we're up on a raised section. I think this used to be an old train line. I'm not 100% sure on that, but they've made good use of it anyhow. So we've got a couple of kilometres to go. The plan is to get back to the van, have a bit of lunch, then go and hit some wineries this afternoon. I don't think there's much video on any of the wineries because they're wineries. Everybody knows about wineries. So yeah, I'll catch you probably later this afternoon. See ya. The blacksmith at Hahndorf with a salty old bugger. Such a quirky little place. Oh, there's people, so I'll take a shot of the sky. We'll come up there again. We can cut it out later. $2.09 for a place. Get some of the original old shops, old buildings. They're closed, obviously. Do more of what you love. Your art studio. I'm not artistic, so I'm not going in there. But just check it out. It's just sensational. Across the road, all the old buildings. Old mill. Look at that. How is that place still standing? Oh. I wonder where Bonnie and Clyde are. So I turn around to talk to the wife and she's disappeared. And I reckon that she is inside this little shop just here. So the drive back from, where were we? Where were we? Oh, Hahndorf. So on the drive back from Hahndorf, we've come across this little Eden Valley scenic lookout, so we thought we'd get out, stretch our legs, have a bit of a sticky beak and see what it's looking like. Time for a walk. And it's very cold up here. Across some tables, shade, and it's cold. Some lambs, some sheep. I'll go over to the fence over here. I'll try and give you a nice bit of a pan around and see what's around. So, nicely slow and steady. No one's to see it fast. Big cross for some reason. I'm sure there's a reason for it. So there you go. That's the Eden Valley Scenic Lookout in Adelaide Hills. Today we're at, oh, there's an emu over the back there. Where are we? I don't know where we are. Oh yes I do. It's the Gorge Wildlife. Down at Gorge in South Australia. Couple of gangs, bit of an old man emu in the background. My gorgeous wife there talking to the birds, patting.
Noisy. Yeah, noisy.
Alright, we'll continue on. Old man emu there. Yeah, make as much noise as you want, sunshine. Not a great fan of emus, never have been, never will be. I think they're ugly. Hole there, little brown nosed cokie. Never seen one before my entire life. And he's just showing us his ass. Right at the very top of the tree there. One's starting to climb up now, but you can't see. There he goes. No, he's hiding. There he is. Comes his mates. Whee! They're all coming now.
Did you see it? He's pushing up the top.
See me show us little Joey. No, we're not going through?
It's out. Here.
Bloody pedestrians. Here we go. Couple of camels. Oh, there goes the wife feeding.
Okay, wait till here. Open up.
Good shot. Good cat.
Wow. Yeah.
How pretty is that?
Amazing.
Let's see how close we can get.
Yeah, alright, look. It's naughty.
Oh, dropped. Now I'm sure Leanne will put some more in there.
It's got a handful. Pull that so you can get it.
That is cool.